Luna cuddling her kittens in a cozy corner. Luna walking out into the night. Luna died on road because of accident. Sad kittens in their home. People leaving food and blankets for the kittens. Kittens playing happily together. Kittens sleeping in new home. A picture of Luna with her kittens on